Hey everyone, welcome to day 30. You have officially made it to the final day of your 30-day Pilates journey. Make sure to give yourself a high five, 2 high fives, clap yourself on the back, and give yourself a little bit of a celebratory whatever, a celebratory moment, deep breath, adult beverage, whatever you do to congratulate yourself for committing to this practice for 30 days straight. It's no easy feat, even if it's just 10 minutes a day. It's hard to do, it's hard to be consistent. So, with all of that said, I want you first to make sure that you do your big check in, go back to day one, all the way through, see how you were feeling today, see how you were feeling on January 2nd when we started this practice, and simply notice what has changed for you, if anything. No wrong answers there. We're going to get started today with just a simple full body Pilates flow. We're going to have some fun for 10 minutes and just move. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to have you lie down on your back, pull knees into chest. We'll begin with the 100. So we'll curl head, neck, and shoulders here, eyes forward on the hip creases, legs reach to 45 degrees, and the arms long by your sides. Let's pump, breathe in, 2, 4, 5, out, 2, 3, 4, 5, inhale, 3, 4, 5, exhale, 3, 4, 5, in with the air, and out with the air, 3, 4, 5, inhale, and exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, exhale. Now let's see if we can reach those arms a little bit longer as we pump and curl a little bit higher. Maybe squeeze your seat, and for an extra challenge, the legs lower just a smidge. Keep going, inhale, and exhale. One more breath, and exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, holding there to deepen the curl, 3, deepen the curl, 2, and 1. I had a nice tremble of truth there. Go ahead and bend your knees, lower your head all the way down. Let's look from side to side. And then from here, we'll step the feet down into the mat and take the arms straight up to the ceiling. We'll do some breathing here. So we'll inhale to lift the hips, press the palms and wrist creases to the front of the thighs, and hold the breath as you hold, 3, 2, 1, exhale, hips lower, arms lift right up to the ceiling. 2 more times, inhale, press the palms, lift the hips, hold the breath, 3, press with all your might, 2, 1, chest is wide open, exhale, lower the hips, lift the arms up. 1 more time, inhale, press the palms down, lift those hips up, hold it, 3, 2, 1, and then lower the hips, lift the arms all the way up. Now we'll stretch the arms back, big yawning stretch. Abdominals are tight. Reach the arms back up to the ceiling. Let's try not to move the skeleton at all as we stretch the arms back, just the shoulders and arms moving, and then the arms reach to the sky. Keep breathing. Big breath in, reach back. Exhale, reach forward. Now press your palms to the mat. We'll take the right leg straight up to the ceiling, and then I want you to send it straight down to the floor. Tap your heel and lift that leg up to the sky. And again, reach the leg down, 2, 3 with control, and my core is tight. My skeleton isn't moving here as we reach that leg and lift it up, up, up. Bend the knees. Send the left leg right up to the ceiling. I forgot which leg we were on. Leg reaches down, 2, 3, and up, 2, 3, and back down, 2, 3, and up, 2, 3. 2 more here, 2, 3, and a lift, 2, 3, and a 1, 2, 3, and back up, 2, 3. Now bend that knee. We'll slide both legs together out to straight on the mat and float the arms up and back, keeping that tight jacket on. Let's do some roll-ups. We'll pick the head up, peel the spine up off the floor, round over at the top in a big stretch, and then roll it down. You have 3 counts, 2, 1. Reach the arms back and roll up, 2. Stretch, 1. Roll it down, roll it back, 2. 1. Roll it up for a 3, 2, 1. And roll down for a 3, 2, 1 more time all the way up, 2, 1, and all the way down, 2 and 1. Now as you lower that head, right leg comes straight up to the ceiling. Press the palms to the mat and let's circle the leg across, around, up, across, around, up. Box is square and stable, across, around, up. One more time, across, and hold it to the sky. Scissor switch your legs. 1 up, 1 down. Left leg goes across. It circles around and up, across, around and up. 2 more, across. Box is square and stable. 1 more time, across, around to the top. Now send it all the way down with control. We'll take the arms and float them all the way back. And in one sweeping motion, we'll come up into our rolling like a ball. Here we go, all the way up. You have hands on your ankles, you're balanced, and we'll rock and roll. Let's go. All the way back, all the way up, all the way back, all the way up. 4 more. Rock it back and bring it up. Find some joy in this movement. 3 more times. It doesn't have to be serious. 2 more times. Rock it back, bring it up. 1 more here. Rock it back, bring it up. Hold there. Teaser time. Lift the arms first, lift the eyes, lift the chest. Lengthen the legs out to your working level, ideally in line with the arms. We hold. We'll roll back 3, not all the way back, 2, 1, and up, 2, 1, roll back 3, just a little bit, 2, 1, power up, 2, 1, 1 more, back, 2, 1, and we're up, 2, 1, back into your rolling like a ball. Try not to let your feet touch, and then let your feet touch. Now hands go right behind the thighs. We'll roll it down with control into the mat again, onto your back. Bring the knees all the way in at the bottom. And then we'll take the legs straight up towards the ceiling. Walk your hands up to your right ankle. Send your left leg out and down. A gentle stretch here. 1, 2, switch your legs. Pulling in gently. 1, 2, switch your legs. That head is up, looking forward at your hip creases. And switch legs. And again, pull it in and a switch, and pull it in and a switch, pull it in and a switch. 1 more each leg, and in and a switch. Last time, pull left and a switch. Now both knees pull in, head, neck, and shoulders lower. Let's take a little look from the side to the side, and then go ahead and roll all the way up to sit. Now, we'll flip to face down on hands and knees. Let's go ahead and begin in a round spine position, dropping head, dropping tail. A little cat action here. We'll look up and lift the tailbone, up, 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 and then round through the spine. And we'll arch through the back, looking up, round through the spine. Ribs pull up and back. 1 more time. Arch through the back, and round through the spine. Good. Now walk your right foot back, tucking toes under. Your left foot will come back, and you're in a plank. It's so good. We're going to shift that weight forward onto tippy toes and back onto heels. And I want you to try to keep your hips flat so that they don't rise up, especially on the way back. Forward and back. 3 more times. Forward and back. 2 more times. Forward and back. 1 more time, forward and back. Now drop your knees. Sit your hips back to your heels, child's pose. Take a breath. Walk your inner thighs together if your knees are wide, and then bring your hands to the bottoms, to the bottoms of your feet as you drop your forehead down into the floor. Grab onto your feet. Now, if you can't reach your feet, grab onto your ankles or shins. Now we're going to keep a hold of those feet. Pull your powerhouse in and up, your abdominals in and up. Drop your tail down and begin to roll up, up, up until you're sitting on your heels and you're tall. And now power up, kneels tall, reach the arms forward. From here, we'll hinge back, squeezing your seat flat as a board, lifting from the abdominals, and then float back up to the ceiling. Good. Round forward again, dropping your forehead down to the mat, sitting your hips on your heels, and grabbing onto the bottoms of the feet. Curl tailbone under, will roll up slowly through the spine, lower back, middle back, upper back. Power up, arms reach, and take it back, pressing those shins into the floor, and float it all the way up. One more time, dive it over. Forehead to the mat, hands to the feet, hips heavy, pull the tail under, roll it up. 2, 3, bring it up, hinge it back from the knees. Now we'll bring it all the way forward. We're going to come back out to our plank. So walk the hands out, walk the right foot, then the left foot, and then we'll do 3 push-ups here. Down and up, 3, down and up, 2, down and up, 1, hips reach up and back. Run through your feet here, bending the knees, pedaling through. Work those feet and ankles here. Now keep pedaling those feet. You're going to walk your feet forward towards your hands until your feet are right underneath you. Good. And then you're just landing here in a forward fold. Soften your knees. Drop your head heavy. Nod your head yes. And then let that neck just hang. Now pull your abdominals in and up and start to roll up through your spine. Through that number 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And you are all done. Hooray! With your 30-day Pilates journey. That was day 30, done and dusted. Let me know how you feel. If you're on email, if you get my emails, reply back to email. If you have me on Instagram, check me out on Instagram, send me a DM. If you are here only on YouTube, feel free to leave a comment. I would love to hear how your journey went. And we have much more coming up on YouTube planned for this year. If you want to be in the loop, make sure that you're subscribed to the channel. You can hit the notification icon, that bell icon, to get notified every time I post a new YouTube video. And the foolproof way to always be in the loop is to join my email list, which the link is down below in the description. I email maybe once or twice a week, nothing too crazy, with updates and new workouts. I will see you on the mat next time. Again, give yourself a pat on the back, a double high five for making it through this 30-day journey. Bye for now.